Hey, what's up, guys? If you have been looking for a legit way to earn crypto without spending anything, this is for you. Toncoin is currently trading, and right now there's an easy method to claim some for free. No wallet fees, no complex steps. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do to grab your free ton fast, even if you're a complete beginner. So stick with me to the end of this video. So the very first thing you have to do is to click on the link down there on the video description. I mean the first link. After clicking on the link, it will take you to a page like this. All you have to do is to click on this button. But before then, it is better you read all these things. As you can see, earn free crypto. Are you looking for an easy way to earn free cryptocurrencies? Stop looking. You found us. Register for free and start earning crypto today. We already paid $537,522 to our users. What are you waiting for? Join now, it's free. You can still go ahead. It's better you go ahead and read all these things for you to have a complex understanding. So, after going through all those stuffs, all you have to do is to click on this button that is here. You can join now, it's free. So, when you are here, member login or sign up. Notice only emails from trusted providers are accepted. So the email you have to put here, the email you have to feed here, you must have used that email to create your faucet pay account. Yes, faucet pay account, just like the way Bitcoin, Toncoin, and the rest wallet is. So for you to start using this app, you have to have a faucet pay account, which you'll be using that email to create this account. So after putting in your email, let me just quickly put in my email. You have to put in password. You have to type in your password. After putting your password, maybe this place will be showing that you should click on it. I'm not a robot. My own has already marked. So if your own is not showing mark, you click on it. So I will quickly click on keep me logged, which is keep me login. So I will click on this login slash sign up. You have been redirected. Just hold on, it's loading. Okay, this is the home page of the platform. Yes, the platform that you are going to be making coin from every single day. This is the home page of it. This is the home page. So what are the things that you can do that will be generating this coin for you? So the very first thing you have to do is to be claiming daily. Click on this button that is here, that three dot button. Click on it and it will take you here. Just click on the option 2, which is more hints. Click on it. It will take you to a page like this. Just click on this daily bonus. As you can see, my daily bonus is 0 because I've already claimed for today. So let me just click on it for me to show you. When you are here, they will ask you to complete this I'm not a robot. This I'm not a robot. You just have to click on it and complete it. And after clicking on it, after showing mark, you just have to click on come back. Then you just have to click on claim now, because yours will be showing claim now. Me, I've already claimed for today. That's why mine is showing come back tomorrow. So after claiming your own, you go back. It won't even waste your time. This is a 3 minutes task. You are done for the day. Every 3 minutes you are done. So you click on it and you click on more hints again. After clicking on more hints, you click on bonus rule, which is the bonus rule. After clicking on the bonus rule, as you can see, this place, this I'm not a robot. My own has already marked. It's marking by himself. So you click on roll and win. And so this one I haven't claimed this one. That's why mine is showing roll and win. So I will click on it. It's rolling right now. And as you can see, reward of 50 tokens has been added to your account. Yes, actually, okay, let me show you. faucet tokens, 150 tokens. Mine, this place was showing 100 tokens before. If you look at it very well, it was showing 100 tokens. Now it is 150 tokens right now. So let me refresh it for you to still see the amount there, for you to know that this is not actually a screenshot, it is real. Go to this button again, click on the more ins, click on view ads. So when you are here, this place you are going to be view ad. As you can see, the first one, if you view this ad for 5 seconds, you are going to pay 2.1 coins. View this one for 5 seconds, 2.1 coins. This other one, 5 seconds, 2.1 coins. The last one, 5 seconds, 2.1 coins. So let me click on the first one. As you can see, it's loading here already. It's loading here, it's loading. So it's telling me that select the image that does not belong in the row. So actually, if you look at it very well, this is the image that does not belong in the row. So let me quickly click on it. Great. So it should take me back to my wallet. Let me go back to that mining app. Let me refresh the page. As you can see, it has added. This place will actually show coins. Now it is 39.4 coins. So let me let me complete another one. It's loading just for 5 seconds. 5 seconds, we are done. Okay, it's actually the middle one. Wow. So let me just go back, and as you can see, it's showing 39.4 coins. It's showing 39.4 coins. Just hold on, I want to refresh the page. 39.4 coins, that's what it's showing. And now, as you can see, 41.5 coins. It's happening like magic. 41.5 coins. So for you to claim other ones, let me just rush the rest too. It's loading. So let me complete this captcha. Done. And go back. Refresh the page. It's all added. So let me complete this last one and show you the other task you have to complete for you to be able to make an amount of money from this coin airdrop. So this is the one that's no, this is the one. So let me quickly click on it. So I'll go back and refresh the page. To show 45. Wow. So the other task here is for you to visit short links. Just way to visit short links. So let me show you some. I won't finish all of them. Let me just maybe views 2 or 3. And so you click continue. It take you to a page like this. I don't even like visiting all the short links because they are stressful than the other ones, but this still pays well. So I'll just click on I'm not a robot. Motorcycles. Let me click these ones. Verify. continue. Okay, I'll click on, please wait 13 seconds. It's counting, just wait. It's counting, it's loading. So I'll click continue. So I'll click on get link, this get link. I'll click on it. So I'll click on continue again. 2 minutes to wait again. Let me just scroll down, see how this page look like. So I'll click on continue, click on get link. This is why I said this page is a lot more stressful. The link is almost ready. It's counting, 10 seconds. Please wait. So let me just wait. Okay, it's counting already. As you can see, this place is showing get link, so I click on it and it has taken me back. Fantastic. So let me just refresh this page. I think some coins are added 3.7. Okay, just play around with it and you are going to get your ton coins. So now, how can you withdraw from it? That's the next step, because after making money, the next thing is for you to withdraw, for you to get your money out of the fucking place, right? So just for you to click on this withdraw button that's here. I told you that the method is faucet. This is faucet. Let me click on it for you to see. It's only faucet and PA. Faucet and PA, but faucet is quite a lot easy to register. I will drop the faucet link on the video description, which is the second link I'm going to drop there. And if you are finding it difficult in creating that faucet account, you can type it on the comment box for me to know, and I will make a video about it. So you click on withdraw. As for me, I'm using faucet, and it's coin I want to withdraw. I don't want to use Bitcoin, so we click on ton coin, change it to ton coin. Okay, here is it. So it's telling me to enter the amount in coins, and I actually have about 16 something coins. Let me write 60. Let me just put in 60 coins, and I will click on withdraw. I will click on withdraw. This thing will waste your time. As you can see, your withdrawal request has been completed successfully. So let me refresh this page and see if the money has actually left here. As you can see, the money has left. So let me just quickly go to my faucet pay account and check. Let me go to transactions. As you can see, April 2025, because I'm actually making this video on the 8th of April. So this is how you can actually receive your money. So And just like that, you have got free ton coins added to your wallet. Super easy, right? These kinds of opportunities don't last forever, so take advantage while they are still hot. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more daily crypto airdrops and quiz updates, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Drop a comment if you claim successfully or need help. I have got you covered.